on, everybody? Brian Maxwell here, out here at Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram of North Savannah. As you can see, rocking out with one of my training classes as they going through working on their walk-arounds and whatnot. This is how we do. When we train, we do real deal, real life. You know, we don't mess around, we don't play. They have to do it. Because in order to be in the game, you got to know how to play by the rules. But one of the things I want to talk about in this video is I've been getting a lot of questions on people about dock fees. Because, you know, when customers ask what a dock fee is, this is something that can really stump, you know, and stunt your deal if you don't know how to articulate that the right way. So let's talk about it. When customers ask about a dock fee, I hear people say stuff like, it's pure profit to the dealership, everybody has to pay it, you know, even I had to pay it, the owner uses it to travel around or pay for his wife's plastic surgery. All of those are totally incorrect answers that would rub a customer the wrong way. Why do they care? Why would they care if it's pure profit to the store or if that's how you keep the lights on? They don't care. At the end of the day, the only person that they're looking out for and trying to protect is themselves. So let's talk about what a dock fee really is. A dock fee is the cost and profits associated with the documentation, certification, and the inspection of a vehicle, okay? And if your dealership is somebody that when the customers drive off, they actually have their tag on it, they already have it transferred, then listen, the benefits of that is it eliminates them having to take time off work and go sit in the DMV. Now, if your store does not send them out with the tag transferred over, with the hard tag on it transferred over, what a dock fee is, it's the cost and profits associated with the documentation, certification, and inspection of a vehicle, okay? So when somebody asks you that next time, if you can articulate it intelligently, you won't have any pushback on it. But if you tell a customer that the dock fee is just pure profit or everybody has to pay it or it's how the dealership keep the lights on, they don't care about that. And then once you can explain something to them that makes sense, they'll begin to go through everything with a fine-tooth comb, and it just can make it that much more difficult if you're incapable of being able to articulate it and explain it. So keep that in mind. What a dock fee is, the dock fee is the cost and profits associated with the documentation, the certification, and the inspection of the vehicle, all right? So keep going hard, and if you at your dealership is looking for somebody to come in and get your sales team going, get them up and running, get them converting deals at a high level and keeping some meat on the bone, make sure you reach out to Brian Maxwell with Sales Professionals of America Recruiting, and I look forward to seeing you at the dealership. Over and out, y'all. Look at that team get it done. Take it easy. Yo.